Imagine we can talk to that flower, ask what is its name and when it got bloomed. Well, we can't do that, but technology has made possible to get few cool information of that flower you are going to buy right in your cell phone, like when it was planted on and what breed it is. Not only that, car engines today can self-diagnose and provide tons of information on overall health, and same goes for other parts. Welcome to the new world, connected and made easier by Internet of Things. With the help of high-speed internet like 4G and 5G, IoT has facilitated the devices we use in our daily life to be smart enough. Devices today is able to sense external factors and its impact on it. With sophisticated but cheap sensors, they can self-diagnose themselves and provide information regarding any issues that may have occurred to the overall system health, and can directly inform the service center for the requirement of maintenance. These devices are also enabled with easy communication with other IoT enabled devices and provide hell lot of information and upload this data to a common cloud platform for the purpose of analytics, and then share the outcome to mitigate if any. Now, as we have the basic understanding of IoT, let's discuss the application of IoT in our daily life based on a scenario and to have a better understanding. Consider you have a meeting tomorrow at sharp 9 am, and for that purpose you have set an alarm on your IoT enabled smart alarm clock, which is connected with the internet via your home Wi-Fi. Next day morning, the alarm clock starts ringing at sharp 7 am, and once you snooze it, your IoT enabled geyser starts heating the water so that you can take a shower. When the geyser goes to standby and you are getting ready for the office, your IoT enabled smart coffee machine starts making the coffee for your breakfast and fills the coffee jar. As today is a hot day and your IoT enabled car is on street parking, for a comfortable drive to office, you turn on the car AC with an optimum temperature with the app in your cell phone while taking the breakfast. This app can also be used to schedule the turning on the AC at a specific time if your timing for leaving the office every day is more or less same. When you start your drive, the IoT enabled navigation system will automatically show you the fastest route having minimal traffic, and you can easily drive through and reach your office on time. Unfortunately, due to some unforeseen incident on the road, you reach your office just on time and you have to rush to the meeting. During the meeting, you was unsure if you have locked your car, and that was deviating you from concentrating on the meeting. You pulled your cell phone out and checked the app, which will show you the status of the car lock. With this app, you are also capable to lock your car right from your meeting room. Now let's discuss how device or machine manufacturers are equipped with more information with the help of IoT to understand better on the performance of their product in very less time and the common pains, if any, their consumer are encountering. Let's take the example of your car. When you are driving, most of the vehicle parts in your latest technology car are equipped with multiple sensors and are IoT enabled. All the parts are capable of self-diagnose and provide the report to the central communication gateway, which is connected to the internet. The communication gateway continuously transmits the data to the common cloud platform in a secured and encrypted manner. The data, which is continuously flowing to the cloud platform, having massive storage with the help of some big data technology, is then analyzed automatically with the help of advanced technology like machine learning and artificial intelligence, and the report is being sent to the manufacturer of the car. The manufacturer now reviews the report and determines any flaw or scope of improvement for the next lot of his product and may incorporate the same. In case of some major flaw identified, say for a specific lot of the product, the manufacturer is now capable to track down the distributor and the dealer and even the end consumer and recall those products for mitigating the issue by replacing or repairing the faulty parts or replacing the product as a whole to prevent any chance of major concern. The manufacturer can also track down the workshop where this defective product was assembled and track down the specific supplier who delivered that defective parts and stop the further production with the defective parts and claim an exchange or money back from the supplier. In this way, the manufacturer can reduce the loss of her production of faulty product and its repair and also improve the customer relation and brand recognition. Technology advancement has made human life very smart. Let's discuss the various common devices used in our daily life are available as IoT enabled, and they are smart enough to be controlled by your cell phone and make your home smart. This can also be controlled by voice command with virtual assistant devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, just with simple configuration provided in the device specification, and makes your home smarter. Now you can control these devices from anywhere in the world just being connected with your cell phone. Few of the common IoT enabled devices available today readily to the retailer are smart bulb, which have several hues and can be controlled easily to change color and scheduled to switch on or switch off, and even detect motion and can take action accordingly, which helps in saving power usage. With Smart TV, you can easily change channel, search your favorite program, adjust volume and many more things just with a voice command to the remote control, and also this can be done with your virtual assistant. Smart fridge can sense the outside temperature and weather and can control the temperature inside automatically and keep your food fresh for a longer time. This also saves power and also responds to voice commands and can be controlled by the mobile devices. Smart lock keep your house secure and safe and can detect biometric like fingerprint or retina scan to unlock. It can also be controlled from your cell phone and mobile devices. Friends, I believe now you have the basic understanding on IoT, how it works and how it is making our life easier and smarter. If you have any specific question regarding IoT, please post in the comment section. I would also take this opportunity to make you aware, though technology is doing advancement in various fields including IoT, which is making our life super easy, we need to also consider various aspects of data sharing and security which can be used adversely, and we need to think wisely and sensibly before we make use of such devices or anything utilizing such advanced technology. Please let me know how do you think on this line in the comment section. Friends, if you have liked this video, please give a big thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Also, if you want more technicalities of IoT, please mention the same in the comment section, and I would be bringing this to you in my subsequent videos. And to watch that, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of any new video I would be posting. With this, I would like to thank you all for watching this video till the end. Wish you all to stay healthy and safe.